Hi guys, hope you're having a great day. In this video I'm going to show you how to sort your videos in a playlist for the newest videos to come in the front of the playlist. So in my channel I have a playlist called Windows General. So these videos are sorted out. The first one is the oldest one, and going back is new ones going in the back. So I'm going to change this sorting order to newest to be coming in the front. So where I go is the playlist option over here. So I go to the playlist in the studio, and you wanna select the playlist you wanna edit. So go to edit, and you can change from here sorting order to newest to be coming in the top of the playlist. And do you need to change another setting here? You need to go to playlist settings and tick this on, so added new videos will be going in top of the playlist. So the settings, as soon as you change them, it is already applied, so you don't need to change. So if I go back and if I open my channel again, the newest videos will come into the front and the oldest will go to the back. So hope this helped for you guys, and if you have any questions, put in my comment section, I'll reply. And thanks for watching. Cheers, bye.